Car is confused. What's happening with this car? Whoa, whoa, whoa! This is a WAYMO car, a self-driving autonomous vehicle which I got to experience riding in both during the day and at night. I will try to match the two experiences the best I can, so please don't get confused. WAYMO LLC, which produces it, is a subsidiary company of the Alphabet Incorporated, Google's parent company. It was initially known as Google's Self-Driving Car Project, whose development began back in 2009.
In 500 feet, turn right on South 41st Avenue.
It currently operates Robo Taxi services, that is self-driving taxis, in specific zones in Phoenix, Arizona and San Francisco, which I got to visit, with new services planned in Austin, Texas and Los Angeles. I took a nice Lyft taxi into the WAYMO zone as I continued to read up on it.
Turn left on South Central Avenue.
So I am here trying to see if I can get a WAYMO ride. I just hope I'll be able to know where it will pick me exactly. This was almost a risk because they are kind of making the road. I had to choose a place just within the zone. Where I was outside the zone, so I looked at a location closer. The good thing is that it's not really busy, this place, so it helps me even film this. And so let's see. Pickup is in 3 minutes, guys. Pickup is in 3 minutes, man. Also really expecting to have a good time with this trip. It's more than 30 minutes ride. Awesome stuff. And it's only almost $20. You hail the WAYMO Robo Taxi just like you would an Uber, Lyft, Bolt or Little Cab. However, both times I have actually done it, they kept parking very far from where I was. The car usually gives you 5 minutes waiting time before it leaves. You have to have the Bluetooth on your phone on so that you can be able to use it to open the doors. Yes, look at the doors have opened. Put my bag back here.
Hey, Willie.
Hi, how are you? This car was particularly dusty when I got in. So, put the safety belt on and we want to start the ride.
Hello from WAYMO. As we get going, just give us 1 minute to cover a few riding tips. This experience may feel futuristic, but the need to buckle up is the same as always. So keep your seatbelt fastened, please.
Stunning.
If you're traveling with little ones or expecting, please see the seatback card for more information. We'll do all the driving, so please don't touch the steering wheel or pedals during your ride.
Okay.
We may use interior cameras, check on riders, improve our products, and more. But our microphones are only on when you're connected to rider support. So sing your heart out.
Oh, alright, that was a quick turn. Nice one. I like that steering wheel with the Jaguar sign. It has buttons you'd think they would use, but I don't know why all the buttons, unless it's like in case someone has to drive it. I don't know if it has pedals down there. Still, the pedals, brake and the accelerator there. Very nice quality material. Is a real Jaguar. Leather seats. Driver is wearing a safety belt. That's another thing. He's actually wearing a safety belt, whoever that ghost is. Start stop button. This would be, if you're driving, you would have used buttons to just change drive, neutral. Can I move this seat back? Because I feel it's like really too much in the front. Yeah, to allow me to do that, just use this button. Yeah, that's it. Getting behind. Really like any other car. It has a sunroof. Awesome stuff, man. I like it. At the back, what do we have? This is a console at the back. You have the console at the front. I can play music if I want. And I need to choose the kind of music I want. You can do Disney. You can increase the volume. At the back there, you see there's that camera. It's able to tell what's happening. You have this massive camera here, there, and on top. I can say the ride is good. The speed is okay. It's not too fast. Right now, 45 miles per hour. Say we have fuel to do another 200 kilometers of fuel. Really, really nice. Driving through beautiful Arizona. Ooh, it's beautiful here. So which way are we turning? Continue. Whoa, this is close to this guy. Wow. That was interesting. There's a house being built over there. Oh, that was... But you saw how it slowed down. The car was able to control that and manage it. Normally, you'd be expected to make some extra distance. If you're driving, you'd probably need to slow down and create extra space between you and the other car. Yeah, it reduces when there's a car stopped on the road on the other side. It's actually been raining, and we are testing it in that condition. The vehicle is operating well. My only worry is the other, because that's where the problem is. It's not really Waymo. It will probably be the other driver. So Waymo, it's okay. I don't have issues. Yeah. Oh, what? Is it getting confused? The car is confused. What's up? Oof! What was that? It readjusted. Did you see that? Oh, that's an interesting one. It's like it made a mistake like a normal human, man. Like, oh, was I to turn there? No, turn the next place. But look at how it keeps on the lane. Okay, let's see. Ooh, what's happening with this car? I don't know what's happening there. Car looks a bit confused. Okay, maybe those two awkward turns means Waymo is not yet perfect. But the question is, between a human driver and a WAYMO Robo Taxi, who actually has more blind spots? Okay. So it knows that there are cars around it. So it doesn't have blind spots as such, actually. That's the thing. Doesn't really have blind spots. Needs to be able to judge when that other car, how far it is. Okay, big truck. It's estimated how big that. Whoa! Did you see that, man? What I was saying, another car could have done it. Whoa, that was scary, man. So that driver has a blind spot. That was scary, man. That was scary. You might trust the car itself, but the issue is, do you trust the other drivers outside? Because they can make mistakes. Normally, I love talking to the cab drivers when I get into a cab. And so that's the one thing I miss with this. I mean, I think even if it would talk back, the conversations would not be that. Like I've had very nice conversations today when I was in Miami with some Cuban driver, with another guy.
People, they like more maybe city.
Yes.
I like more nature.
Here with J Guido. The challenge obviously is you don't get to speak to it that much, but
it's still reliable.
But I mean, you can always listen to music if you want that quiet ride home. Yeah, you listen to music. You can be on the phone with someone else. So for me, I love talking to guys. So when I get into the cab, we have a strike a conversation, and I get to learn something, you know. Because especially like here, you might find you're not just meeting, you know, locals. You might meet people who've come in from different places and have different experiences. So that's one thing that I think you miss when you do this. I'm working on a futuristic film, and this is amazing because this is what I was putting there, that, you know, in the future this will be common. But then right now they've said the mics are not on, only when you're talking with the support. But in the future, my thought is you'll be able to actually talk to the vehicle, have a conversation, pull me up stuff to watch, you know, stuff like that. So that's how I see the future, where it is more interactive. The car is going, at the same time it's giving you all this information, like, oh, I want to know what is happening in the news, you know what, it pulls up that. Just being able to have your day like it's a normal day, you know. Right now, like in Arizona, for example, we see these cars all the time. Really thinks much about it, you know. So this is really nice. I am happy to experience this. Life imitating art. This is obviously still early stages of this. Right now it has a particular area that it covers, and to expand over time. It's still being tested.
This car was here on time from the airport, picked me up on time, faster than I usually get the others. So if you're in Phoenix, you're landing at Sky Harbor, the best thing to do is to just download the WAYMO app and hail the car once you just are close enough to get to the ground transport, and you know, you pick it at south. Normally, I think, I don't know if it's always, but I picked it at south Terminal 4 South Door 8. It was there, so yeah. It's really nice that I get to experience this. Thank God for this opportunity. Someone actually left some stuff here. I mean, that guy's so bad. It's pulled over nicely where I can get out. Okay, thank
You're
you.
here. Please make sure it's clear before exiting.
Alright, will do. We're here. Get out of the car. Get my bag up.
After you exit, please close doors all the way.
Okay. Will do it.
Please close doors.
And there she goes. Awesome.